Guys, what I want in Excel, that if I select the student name from, like I selected Ram, see their marks is highlighted in a below table. If I select another student name like Lama, see their marks is highlighted. So how to do this? To do this, what I will do, I will copy the data and paste in a new sheet as a value, and let me little bit zoom it so that you can see it properly, and let me format it, bold the heading and meant see. So what I have used two things: one, drop down list, and second, conditional formatting. So how to create drop down list? To create drop down list, what I will do, I will select the area where I want to create drop down list, then we'll go to data tab. Under data tab you will find group of data tools. Click on data validation option, then new pop-up will come. Under allow you will see the drop down and click on list, and next in the source click on up arrow, then select the list. I will select the list of student name, then click on down arrow, then click on OK. See the drop down is created. But when I am selecting a student name, it is not highlighted. So we will use second, conditional format. First, where you want to apply conditional formatting, select that area. I have selected that. Then I will go to home tab, then click on conditional formatting, new rules, then click on use a formula to determine which cells to format. Then click on up arrow. Then first I will select the student name and freeze the column only, not a row. $A4 equal to, from where the condition should say, it should take condition from drop down. So I will select the drop down list and let it freeze it totally. Click on down arrow, then click on format, click on the color you want to select. Under fill section, click, I will select yellow color, click on OK, then again click on OK. See the Rana is highlighted because Rana is selected here. When I change the student name, see Ram marks is highlighted. Tama marks is highlighted. So if you want to learn more about Excel and explore about Excel, you can visit our website EduTaxTuber.in. Let me show you quickly demo how you can learn Excel on our website. In Google, search EduTaxTuber. Open the first link, EduTaxTuber.in. Then under eLearn section, go to click on Microsoft Office. See, here is the option practice Excel. If you want to practice lookup, X lookup, V lookup, H lookup, count A. Suppose I want to learn count. See, everything about count is available. What is count, syntax of count, and one example is given. And here you can practice count. Type equal to count, then select the area, close the bracket. See, you can practice without opening Excel. So guys, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to share with other, and if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much guys.